your time. Let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Krystle, and I'm back with another slay for y'all. So today's video is sponsored by YASGRL. So you guys, you know that I have worked with YASGRL before with those cute throw on and go wigs. So y'all, they have sent me over this cute bob, and I cannot wait to show you guys how to get it together. It doesn't come like this, so you're gonna have to put in some work. So grab your flat iron, your blow dryer, your hot comb, because we about to go to work, and I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this look every step of the way. But first things first, if you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Hey girl, hey, you know how we do. Come in, take a seat, and let's get it going.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going, like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes in the season, shine bright as the season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me, we know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep a dignity and wine. So kind of your neck is stolen. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend, you had me thinking, almost kidding to lift my head up, like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes in the season, shine bright as the season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you, yeah, you make me feel like we could do, oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you, yeah, you make me feel like we could do, oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 sounding like you're wasting every time. When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night.
This is adorable. Oh my goodness. This looks so natural. I cannot wait to put this on.
Like bum bum bum, throw it back then, shine bright as the season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam.
Ooh, it is roomy in here too. Big head girls. We are fitting in here.
Jam, 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 sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me, we know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep a dignity and wine. So kind of your neck is stolen. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend, you had me thinking, almost kidding. that season. Shine bright, it's that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like you're ice in every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like you're ice in every time. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like you're ice in every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like you're ice in every time. Shining like you're ice in every time.
Okay, so now that we have slayed this unit, y'all, let's get into the pricing of this unit. This unit is right at $119. This is the 10-inch length, y'all, and I am 5'6", and this is where the bob is hitting me. This is the unit from the front. This is the unit to the side. This is the unit to the back. And this is the unit to the other side. Y'all, she cute. So run and check out YASGRL and pick you up one for the warmer months, because you guys, you cannot go wrong with a bob. Like, so cute. If I have any discount codes, I will drop it down in the description box. Let's go ahead and get into the pros and cons of this unit. Okay, cons. We're going to start there, and then we're going to wrap it up with the good news, okay? So the cons of this unit. The knots are a little bit big and dark, and I believe this is pre-bleach. It is pre-plucked. However, I did have to go in and do quite a bit of plucking. And then I haven't really tried this type of unit. At first I thought it was a closure unit because there was a lot of lace, but I realized that the tracks come all the way up to here. So you don't have the flexibility to change your part. You are stuck with this left side part. So if you wanted to do a middle part, you could shift the wig. However, the bob is going to be shifted too. And then you're going to end up having to cut it. And look, if I'm ordering a human hair wig, I don't want to have to cut that much hair off to make a look. So that can necessarily be a con if you're not a left side part wig type person, okay? Those are my two cons that I can remember I ran into whenever I was installing this unit. Now, let's go ahead and get into the pros. Okay, y'all, pros. The density. If it just feels like I blow dried my hair straight, and I blow dry my natural hair straight, and I love that. I love being able to put on a unit and protect my hair underneath, and I feel like this is my hair. This is Kinky. It's thick, and it's dense, but it's light, and I don't feel like it's a lot of hair on me. This is perfect for the summer months if you are wanting to go for a dense, thicker look, but you don't want all that hair down your back. Y'all, and usually in the summertime, I don't like to wear a lot of lace, but the good thing is the lace only goes from here to here. So you spray that down and then pull out your edges on the side, and this looks so natural. I am able to put this behind my ear like so, and it looks so natural because my hair underneath is about this same texture. I'm about a 4B, 4C hair texture. Y'all, I'm so excited about this look, and I love it. Another thing that I love is the texture of the hair. The kinky edges are just giving everything natural. This makes me feel like I just blew my hair out without all the extra work and frizziness and all of the things that come with being a natural haired girl. I love how this unit is constructed. It also is big head friendly, so big head girls, run and grab you one. It also has an elastic band in here. I didn't use it because I don't really need it. I got a big old head and baby, we fitting up in here. But small head girls, there's an elastic band. It has the adjustable straps. So just go in, do your adjustable straps and use the elastic band that's inside to tighten it or loosen it as you need. I give this wig about a 9 because I think they could have did a little bit better right here with the knots. Y'all, I'm not experiencing any shedding. I'm not experiencing any tangling. Y'all, I may need to bump her up to a 10 because look, I can go in there and like the lace is just from here to here, y'all. But she between a 9 or a 10 because baby, look, she not giving no problems. Yes, girl. Y'all go and grab y'all one. If you guys are loving this content, make sure that you hit that like button. Leave me some love down in the comments. Let me know what you guys are thinking of this unit. If you're going to go and pick her up. Let me know if you like it on me. What you guys are doing for the summer. Talk to me, you guys, and let me know where you are. Are you wrapping up the school year? All of that. I want to know all of that. Talk to me down in the comments. Y'all know I love to talk to you back. Thank you so much for joining me today for today's slay. Thank you so much for being a part of my YouTube family. I love, 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 love you guys. Huge shout out to YASGRL for sponsoring today's video. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next slay.